What if I told you there's a business model where you don't need to create a product, you don't need to deal with shipping headaches, and yet you can still earn money while you sleep? It's called affiliate marketing. And when you combine it with nano marketing, especially on platforms like TikTok, you open doors to financial freedom that most people overlook. Today, I'm breaking down the playbook of affiliate marketing strategies, what works right now, why nano marketing is the future for small but powerful creators, and how you can take steps to start building passive income streams. We'll cover the core strategies, how to stand out, and even a TikTok demo approach that you can insert right into your content plan. 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple in definition. You promote a product or service, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. But here's the kicker. It's not about selling. It's about recommending with trust. That's why it works across industries, from Amazon books to SaaS tools to fitness programs. Affiliate marketing thrives wherever people are buying. 2. Why affiliate marketing stands out. Think about it. No warehouses, no customer support teams, no product returns to manage. You focus on content and connection, while the brand handles the messy back end. This makes it one of the most scalable models for new creators and businesses. You can run it as a side hustle, then grow it into a full-time income. 3. Strategies that win today.
Let's get tactical. There are 5 strategies you can start using right now. 1. Nano marketing. Work with smaller, highly engaged audiences. 1,000 true fans are more powerful than 1,000,000 random followers. 2. Content diversification. Don't just rely on one format. Mix blogs, YouTube, TikToks, newsletters. Meet your audience where they are. Storytelling persuasion. Instead of saying, buy this tool, show how it solves a real pain point in your life. Humans buy stories, not specs. 4. Recurring commissions. Choose products that pay you every month. SaaS platforms, subscription boxes, membership programs. That's how you build passive income. 5. Analytics-driven scaling. Don't just post blindly. Track clicks, conversions, and audience behavior. Double down on what works. 4. The power of nano marketing. Here's where young, growing platforms, especially small TikTok or Instagram accounts, have an advantage. Nano marketing isn't about chasing millions. It's about micro-influence. Brands trust nano creators because their audiences are loyal, engaged, and more likely to act. A recommendation from a small but authentic creator can outperform a huge influencer with a disengaged crowd. For new channels, nano marketing is your entry ticket to both credibility and cash flow. 5. Affiliate marketing as a freedom model. Let's zoom out. What does all this mean for your future? Affiliate marketing is more than commissions. It's a freedom model. You're not tied to inventory. You're not stuck with one employer. You're not limited to one income stream. You can promote across industries: health, finance, tech, lifestyle, and diversify your earnings. And because you can automate large parts of the process, like email follow-ups, content scheduling, and SEO optimization, your business keeps running while you focus on creating new opportunities. Now, let's take TikTok as a demo sector. Here's how it works step by step. All right, let's break down step by step how to set up and grow your TikTok shop affiliate business. No fluff, just practical moves you can follow today.
Step 1. Check if TikTok Shop is available in your country. If it is, switch your account to a creator or business account. Fill out your profile completely: photo, bio, contact details, then verify your identity and link your payout method. This is the foundation. Without it, you can't monetize. Step 2. Apply to TikTok Shop affiliate. Open Creator Tools, go to Monetization, and select TikTok Shop or Affiliate. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once you're in, you'll unlock the Product Picker, your marketplace for finding items to promote. Step 3. Find the right products. Don't pick randomly. Look for what's trending and what fits your niche. Search hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. Explore TikTok Shop's bestseller lists. Focus on items with high demand, affordable prices, and strong seller ratings. Step 4. Contact suppliers for samples. Message them directly. Ask for a sample so you can create authentic demo videos. Many sellers agree because it drives exposure. Keep it professional. Share your follower stats, your style, and how you'll feature their product. Step 5. Prepare your demo script, short and sharp. Videos between 15 and 45 seconds. Start with a hook in the first 3 seconds. Show the product in action. Highlight one clear benefit. Use before and after shots or quick tutorials. Sprinkle in social proof, ratings, reviews, or personal results. Close with a call to action. Link in my bio. Or shop this product right here. Step 6. Create the video. Shoot vertical, 9:16 format. Good lighting, subtitles, quick cuts. Add trending music if it fits, but always keep the product in the spotlight. On TikTok, attention is currency. Win the first 3 seconds, and you win the view. Step 7. Add your affiliate link. Before posting, tap Add Link. Choose Products. Then select the item from the product picker. That way, a clickable product badge appears on your video. If TikTok Shop isn't available, use your bio, Linktree, beacons, or a custom landing page. Step 8. Optimize your captions and hashtags. Write short, clear captions with a call to action. Use 2 niche keywords and 2 to 4 trending hashtags. Pin a comment under your own video with the product link and a reminder to shop. Step 9. Publishing and engagement. Post consistently, 4 to 7 times per week. Test posting times. Engage with comments quickly. Better yet, reply with video responses. This boosts your original video and creates fresh content. Step 10. Track metrics. Measure clicks, conversions, and revenue per video. Watch which hooks perform best, which captions drive more action. Double down on what works. Data doesn't lie. Step 11. Scaling up. Once you're generating sales, go back to your suppliers. Negotiate higher commissions or exclusive discounts for your audience. Reinvest into boosting your top-performing videos. Repurpose your TikToks into Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Multiply your reach without multiplying your workload. Step 12. Build trust long-term. Always disclose affiliate links. Be honest about pros and cons. Create follow-up videos, unboxings, Q&As, testimonials. The more authentic you are, the more your audience believes you and buys from you again and again. 6. The numbers don't lie. Affiliate marketing is projected to surpass $17 billion globally in 2025. Brands are pouring more budget into affiliates than traditional ads because word of mouth through trusted creators converts better. And here's the best part. Even nano creators with 1,000 followers are landing brand deals and making commissions daily. This isn't hype. It's happening right now. One bonus strategy that separates winners from quitters. Consistency beats perfection. Post regularly, keep testing, and never underestimate small wins. Every click and every commission is a brick in the wall of your freedom model. So here's your move. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start your affiliate journey now. Focus on one niche, one audience, and one channel. Grow steadily. If you found this breakdown valuable, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and let's keep building income streams that give you freedom and impact. The world is shifting from ads to trust. Your voice, your authenticity, and your story could be the reason someone takes action. Why not get paid for it?